As someone who spent a lot of time researching ways to grow my online business, I have come to realize a fundamental truth. Finding the right product is only half the battle. Like many entrepreneurs, I have sifted through countless videos and articles about sourcing, and nearly everyone emphasizes how critical it is to discover a product that resonates with the market. However, the real struggle begins once you find that supplier. The true challenge lies in securing a reliable supplier. There is nothing worse than dealing with suppliers who fall in short delivering quality services. I have been through it myself: slow slipping, lack of communication, and the worst of all, low quality products. If your supplier fails to meet expectations, it's not matter how great your product is, your business will suffer and your customers won't stay loyal. Trust me, I have been there and it's incredibly frustrating. And that's when I realized something. What if I could cut out a middleman and go directly to the manufacturer? What if I could connect with the source, the people who truly understand their products and can offer the best possible services? Well, that's exactly what I did, and what I found was madeinchina.com. I have tried other sourcing platforms before and many promised a lot but did not deliver. But after diving deeper into madeinchina.com, it's quickly become apparent that this was different. Madeinchina.com connects you directly with manufacturer, eliminating the need for resellers and middlemen. This ensures transparency, fair pricing, and clear communication. What stood out to me the most was how clean and easy the site was to navigate. There was no clutter, no unnecessary distraction, just a straightforward browsing experience where you could find exactly what you need without any confusion. I began exploring with their categories and the variety was impressive. They had everything from electronics to home goods, clothing, industrial equipment, and even items that would help enhance my own YouTube studio setup. Whether I want to build a top-tier recording environment or source unique items for a new project, madeinchina.com offered a vast selection from products to choose from. But what exactly caught my attention was how beginner-friendly the platform was. They do not force you to place massive orders just to get started. Like many other platforms demand that you buy hundreds or even thousands of units right off the bat, but madeinchina.com offers smaller minimum order quantities, MOQ, which is perfect for those of us who want to test the waters without risking a significant investment. And when it's come to communication, this platform is a league ahead of others. Instead of waiting days to hear back from a supplier, you can send messages in real time. Whether you are asking about a product, requesting samples, or negotiating pricing, the process is smooth, fast, and efficient. This saved me so much time and helped me make decisions quickly, which is crucial when you're running a business and need to move fast. And a feature I found particularly useful was the request for quotation, means RFQ system. If you are unfamiliar, RFQ is like matchmaking for suppliers and buyers. You simply enter the product details, specification, and quantities you need, and then verify suppliers will reach out to you with offers. And this system was an absolute game changer, especially when I was looking to custom products or specific gadgets for my YouTube setup. And one feature I did not expect but absolutely love was the ability to take virtual factory tours. Yes, madeinchina.com offers live factory tours and video showrooms, which means you can see the manufacturing process in real time. Means no more worry about fake products or misleading product description. These live tours gave me confidence that I was dealing with legitimate suppliers who had nothing to hide. Another aspect that sets madeinchina.com apart is that its connection to the global trade show circuit. They are partnered with the Canton Fair, one of the largest trade fairs in China, which allows you to explore product options from suppliers who are attending these major events. Even if you can't fly to China, you can still access the same supplier and see their products in action through the platform. Madeinchina.com offers both OEM, means original equipment manufacturer, and ODM, means original design manufacturer services. This means that if you find a product you like, you can have your brand logo added, tweak the design, or even create an entirely new product from scratch. And this is a really huge benefit for anyone looking to create a private label brand and get professional start. Madeinchina.com's Secure Trading Services, means STS, is a feature designed to protect both buyers and suppliers through the transaction process. It acts as an escrow service, ensuring that your payment is safely held until you confirm that your order meets the all agreed upon specifications. And how secure trading works: placing the order. When you place an order, the platform securely holds the payment and provides oversight throughout the process. Uploading contracts and specifications. If you are ordering custom products or have a specific requirement, you will upload relevant contracts or documents to clarify the terms. This helps ensure both parties are aligned on expectations. Tracking your order. Once the order is in process, you can track the status and receive updates as the supplier moves through the production or prepares the goods for shipment. The next is receiving the goods. After a product arrives, you will have the opportunity to inspect them. If anything does not match the agreed standard, the platform can assist in addressing the issue before the order is officially closed. Confirming delivery. Once everything meets your expectation, you can confirm completion. Should any issue arise, the platform provides support for dispute resolution to help ensure fair outcomes for all parties involved. Why STS important? Buyers are required to make a payment when placing an order. This platform holds the funds securely and provides support in case of any trade dispute, ensuring a fair and reliable transaction process. Benefits for new and first-time buyers. For those unfamiliar with international transactions, STS is a great safety net. This gives you full control over your orders, providing transparency and the ability to raise disputes if needed. Whether you are placing a small order or a custom order, STS ensures that your transaction is protected from start to finish. For anyone concerned about clarification and legal requirements, MadeInChina.com makes it easy to verify that products meet international standards. FDA and CE certification are not mandatory for suppliers to display, but buyers can choose to work with those who provide such credentials. The platform requires suppliers to provide SGS certification, which you can view via the link. Another thing I really appreciated was the ability to filter for low MOQs. Many suppliers on other platforms demand large initial orders, but MadeInChina.com allows you to start with smaller quantities, which was a lifesaver when I was testing product and building my business. And if you are concerned about language barriers, MadeInChina.com has multilingual support, including English, Spanish, French, and more. Plus, most suppliers speak decent English, which makes communication much easier even for beginners. To sum it up, MadeInChina.com is not just another sourcing platform, it's a complete business solution. From reliable suppliers and low MOQs to real-time communications, secure payments, and customizable sourcing options, this platform is designed with entrepreneurs in mind. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars upfront, fly to China, or worry about language barriers. All you need is a great idea, and MadeInChina.com gives you the tool and resources to bring it to life. Whether you are just starting out or scaling up your business, this platform can help you execute your vision with ease. So if you are looking for a reliable supplier or need a one-stop shop for product sourcing needs, I highly recommend giving MadeInChina.com a try. It's free to sign up, and it might be the breakthrough you need for your business. So that's for today, and before leaving this video, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below, and if you have any queries related to this video, then don't forget to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about dropshipping, how to pick winning products, then definitely go and watch this video now.